So the first mode I'm going to be testing is Cinesmooth, and as we're going upwards I'm putting it into Cinesmooth mode, and we're ascending at approximately 3.4 miles per hour. And now we're going to make some forward motion when I get up to about 50 feet in altitude. So now we're traveling forward at about an average speed of about 8.5, 9 miles an hour or so. Now put it into P mode. Now we're ascending at approximately 4.5 miles per hour on average. I'll stop when I get to about 100 feet in altitude. And now we're going to go forward. Our average speed in P mode going forward is about 17.6 miles per hour. Sometimes you can get up to about 18 miles per hour. Now I'm going to switch into sport mode, and I'll ascend to 150 feet, and we're ascending at about 9 miles per hour almost. Now our forward motion, we'll be traveling, your drone will be traveling in sport mode at about 28 to 29 miles per hour. Sometimes you can get it up to 30 or higher depending on the wind direction you're in. If you're flying with the wind, you'll be going about 30 miles an hour, but into it, you'll be going slightly slower. Alright, I appreciate you guys watching, and I'm going to leave you with some other shots of the lake that I got out here today, so hope you enjoy those. Thank you so much for watching. See you next time. Bye.